Hey, what's up, guys? It's Donnie, hunting all Tenson. Down here at Pirates Lake today, guys. Beautiful day out today too. It's gonna be hot, so get out here early in the morning. This place is supposed to open at 8, but it looks like they've been open for a while. So we'll get out here, see what we can get, guys. Hang along with me, so we can get on them later. All right, guys. We are officially getting ready to throw the first line in. Old Pirates Lake. Been a long time since I've been here. Look at this bait, guys. Get a big old flatty, come up and get him. Big old blue. Find out in a minute. I'm gonna throw him along this wall here. And see what happens, guys. We'll see what happens. Let him sit down on this wall for a while. Here we go. Pretty lively guy. Down there giving him hell. That's my bait. That's my bait are twitching. And these rocks piled up here, setting a rod on, or a hole. Should have brought some rod holders. Alright, there's a big boy bait out there for big boy fish. That bobber's gonna be a pain in the ass. I'm gonna throw some lures first. I'll flip that bobber later. I got cranks tied on. I got all kinds of shit here, guys. Got every damn rod in the truck, but a couple. As you can see. Even on this goddamn fucking snag over there. I'm floating bobber down through that wall. He hit the cut bait. See what we got, guys. Nice cat or stripey. 1, 2. He's trucking wherever he is. He is a trucking. Nice little channel. There's the channel we're at. Yeah. First fish, finally, guys. Finally on the board. The old Pirates Lake. It's a nice one. Nice clean little kitty. He hit that cut bait pretty good. Freaking donked that bobber. He's way down there in that swift stuff. Alright, guys, first fish of the day. Little channy cat. Alright. Go after some more. Thank you, sir. Come again. Oh yeah. It's been slow, guys. It's been slow, but I just started bobber fishing too, so see what that gets. There's fucking eggs all over this bank. I don't know what these are. Now fish eggs all over the bank. Nasty. It's just nasty, I tell ya. Simply nasty. Get some more cut bait. Yeah, little crick chub. Restart this clip. Hey guys, what's up? Donnie, Hunting Hog Simpson here. Just out creeping around some creeks today, guys. It's Monday afternoon, just got off work a little bit ago. And I tried to get some fish over the weekend, guys. And it was really hot. And I ain't gonna lie, I got my butt handed to me. I went to hours and Saturday morning, caught one catfish. I might throw that in this video at the beginning. But yeah, that's all I did. So I heard some local creeks, man. We'll try to throw some night crawlers, some chicken livers, see what we can get, guys. So come on me. I see some big garden out here the other day, some little carp, and there's always been some catfish in here, some rock bass, and all kinds of stuff in here. So let's go down there and see what we can get, guys. I'll see you down there. Got a fish finally. What is it? A rock bass. A rock bass. Finally. These are popular around here, guys. These here little rock bass. I used to catch the hell out of these in these creeks, but I ain't been catching as many as I used to. And you look out of them colors on them, guys. There's black fins. Can you guys see that real good? See the little black in his fins? He's neat looking. Little bitty dude. Longest time I didn't know what the hell these were. And then I was watching another YouTuber's channel, and he was catching these and said they were rock bass. So got the red eyes like a little smallie, but they're neat. I do like them. And goodbye. Oh, there's first fish, guys. First fish on the nighty crawler on the wormy. I haven't even thrown out that nasty liver. Not afraid to try it even. It's pretty disgusting. Pretty disgusting, if you ask me. I'll catch one big old carp. The water's so damn clear, it ain't even funny. There's some smallmouth down there too. There's something tapping on a wormy again. What do we got, guys? What we got? I think he's on there. Yeah, I think he's on there, guys. I can't tell though. No, he spit it out. Sucker. He stole my bait. Yeah, he chewed on her pretty good. And there I got her. We put another piece on. Another night crawly. Crawly boy. Bait that catfish rod up too, throw it upstream real quick. While I'm messing around with these down here. And also, alright, crawly bub. Me and you, bub. It's me and you, boy. Where should we catch Bassy? What do you say? I thought you got to here at one time. How's that sound? What you got to here? One time. Come on, fishies. Oh, we got something there, guys. Oh, yeah, I got a carpage. Yeah, he's all tangled up in my line, too. That's a small carp. Hell yeah. Oh, sucker bub. Oh, shit, yeah. Got me a hell of a mess, too. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for biting, though. That was awesome. At least another bite. Yeah, sucker. That's a good bait, dude. I want to keep him, guys. To freeze him up when I get home for bait. I'll throw him over here on the bank. Oh, no, not my tackle box. Let me get this untangled. I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna restart this clip. I'll lose track of these videos. Bait thieves, bait thieves, bait thieves. That's all we got. Alright, guys. One more wormy and I'm gonna get out of here, I think. I'm about had it with these guys. You ain't getting that wormy. Break him off. There we go. Alright, let's try this one again. Yeah, there we go. Get away up there. That's where you get all my bites at. Biting on it. Yeah, there's one, guys. Haha, freaking drum perch. Look at this. Freaking drum perch. That's a first. Never caught one of them in here. Old drummy bud. Old drum bud, he swallowed that sucker too. He would. Why'd you do that? You old dirty drum bud. Looks like you're gonna become bait too. Alright. Get the hook out of him. I'm killing him. What the hell? Yeah, I bent the shit out of the hook trying to get it out of him. Alright, yep. He's bait too, I guess. I'll take him home, freeze him up. I did my hook. Jeez Louise. I've never seen anything like that, guys. Turn that J hook into a circle hook. How in the hell? I don't think I've ever seen that happen. Nope, can't say I have. Alright, well, I think I'm about over it, guys. I don't have no of these hooks down here. Oh, what you gotta do? That's a bigger one though. Hey guys, what's up? It's me again. I know Simpson, Donnie. Back down to trick day. Met her yesterday a little bit, ran out of time. And come back down today with some corn and what a few night crawlers I got left. And ultra light reels, so we'll see if we can get on them again today, guys. If you catch a few more and I'll upload a video. But yeah, I just can't upload a video without, you know, at least a few fish in it. I just can't do that to you guys, so I gotta have some fish catches on there, something you guys can look forward to. So let's go down so we can get a few more, guys, so I can upload a video. It's been rough. These fish are not wanting to cooperate here lately, and all the places I usually go to are pretty busy right now. People are on them and overfished, and just everybody's fishing right now. So it's that grind, man. It's that grind. So let's go grind them out, guys. Come on with me. Later. I had to go get another hook. So I got corn out there now. And I got my wormy. Something's messing with my wormy. I'm gonna try this little cranking bait. Down over here for some bassies. I don't know if they're still home or not. They were over there yesterday. Yeah, they're still. Crankbait here's a little bigger. Ooh, there's something, guys. There's something. On your cranking bait. What we got, rock bass? Yep, another rock bass. Oh, rock bass. He come up, smashed the old crank. The old cranking bait, didn't you, buddy? Yeah. Alright, bud, guys. A little rock bass. You guys can see him real good. Camera's kind of messed up, but alright. Yep, there's another one. Let him go. Back casting. See if we can get another one. Where's that? Did I bite on my corn? Can't tell. Yeah, alright. Throw another one out there. So we can get a bass this time, guys. The old rock bassy. Get a smallie. Oh, that was a smallie there. Man, I missed him. He came up and took a look at it for sure. Yes, he did. I'm liking that. And dives a little deeper. Another one I had the other day. There he is. Bam, got one, guys. Oh yeah, it's a nice smallmouth. Nice smallie. Oh yeah, he's dancing out there for me. Oh yeah, guys, this is a nice one here. Yeah. Yes, indeedy. He is running. Wow, I miss this so much. These little crick smallmouths, I'm telling you what, they're fun. They're fun, guys. Get down there and land him with some ultralight reel. And rod and reel. I don't want to lose him. He's a nice one. Oh, I got another line. No. Why'd you do that? Little turd. I like him out of it. Cool. Come here. Come here, little dude. Yes. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Oh, yeah. Little smallmouth. Yeah, you got both of them hooks, didn't you, buddy? I seen him come up, guys, and just smash it. He was not messing around. He wanted that bait. Alright, come on. Hang on a second, buddy. Get these hooks out of you. Trying to chomp down on my bait, making it harder. I'm going to get the one out from his chin first. Damn. Alright, we'll do that first one. quits, buddy. You're just making it worse. Damn hook is like right where my finger is at. Oh, damn it, come on now. Yeah, I should put my pliers down here, I guess. Should have, but I didn't. Let me switch hands again, buddy. I'll get you free here in a second. There we go. Yeah, look at this, guys. That's a nice little smallmouth for this little bitty crick. That's a small average size. We used to get them like 3.5 pound out of here back in the day when I was younger. They're not quite what they used to be, but yeah, still nice little fish. We'll get him back in, guys, and on to the next one. All right, buddy. Thank you for biting. Yes, and he's off on his own. All right, how you guys looking? That's clean. Yep. All right. Restart this clip, guys. Something's taking off on my night crawler. There we go. Got something. What do we got here? Oh, catfish. Yeah, channel cat. Kitty cat. Can't see down the bottom of that hole there. It's too dark. There's kitty cat. Yeah. You got some leeches on him. What are you doing, you leechy dude? Right there gorging on all that bait I left you yesterday, aren't you? All that nasty chicken liver. Huh? Yeah, there's a little channel cat, guys. All these fish got these real black edges on their fins. Pretty cool looking. Alright, let's go, buddy. Thanks for biting. Oh yeah. Alright. I'm gonna rebait that one. I gotta run back up the truck and get another hook. I just lost my jig from a corn bobber, from a corn pole. Where did the other part of that worm go? He's hiding. He's hiding. He don't want to be fed to the fishy. Oh, literally down to scraping for bait. I wanted more night crawlers, but thought I had more than what I got. I had like two and a parcel. Well, it is what it is. And I got corn. And I got lures. Maybe these smallies will cooperate today a little bit. Maybe, maybe not. You never know. Just never know, guys. Just never know. Toss this back out there. Get it right here in the deep part of the hole where I can't see it. Of course. Alright, I gotta run back up to the truck real quick. Give me a little jig head or something. Just grab me a hook real quick. Alright. And I'll be back. Another channel cat. I can see him down there. There's a bite already, guys. Let's do that worm in. I'm back, guys. Just checking my bait. Something been nibbling on this. Ain't taking it. I'm gonna rebait it. Put another chunky worm on there. Something's been nibbling on it. Alright, buddy. Don't fail me. Got one more bait on the wormies, guys. One more bait after this is gone. And it's the corns. See some nice carp down there. Hope want to grab that corn down there. Take off with it, but nothing yet. Nothing yet. Now let me set this down. Get out of the way. There we go. Alright. Back casting. The old crankbait out there again. So we get another one of the largies, or smallies, I mean. Old smallies. Gotta love them. I love catching them. They're fun to catch, guys. They're fun to catch, especially in these little creeks. These little bodies of water. They're so much fun. Against something. Bam, there's something. We got bluegill. You kidding me? Yep. Bluegillis. Multi-species day. Get a little bit of bluegill. Get a little bit of this. A little bit of that. Yeah. Come here, buddy. What are you doing? This bait's almost as big as you are, guy. Yeah, look at that. That little guy trying to eat that bait. Look at that. That's just... He's a pretty little fella. Alright, buddy. Off you go. Oh, excuse me, guys. There's a frog behind me. Damn frogs. Always sitting behind me croaking. Always a croaking. Come on, Bassie. Back my way too. Yeah, let's do some trimming here real quick. Yeah, alright, there we go. That's a little better. That's a little more better. Perfect. Where the bassie's at. Alright. Oh, there's something on your wormy. Something's tapping the wormy. Take off with it. You gonna run with it, buddy, or what? Huh? You gonna make a run? Make a run for the hills? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. He don't know what he wants to do. He's down there biting. See if I can coax him into hitting. Fishy, where you at? What are you doing? Huh? Are you eating it? Are you playing around? So what's going on here, guys? Wish I could see. Smell fire smoke and the glare. I think he's getting to take off with it. What you doing, buddy? Huh? You might be on there, guys. I think you might be on there. Let's see. Tapping on it. Oh yeah, there's a bass. Another bass. Oh yeah, he's swallowed that sucker too. God damn it. Ah! Quit, buddy. Quit. Quit. You're bleeding like crazy. Quit. Well, when you hit that crankbait, you just had to go for the wormy. Quit. Damn. Alright, buddy. Quit. Fool. You hooked yourself good, didn't you? Yeah, you did. Yeah, I got it out, guys. I don't know if he's gonna live or not, but there's another one. Little dude. He took off. Oh, yeah. He definitely bleeder. Definitely bleeding. Little sucker. I'm gonna sit down and watch, messing around with it so damn long. Let me check the corn, I guess. Corn pole. Alright. I'll get some good action today, at least. Getting some action today. Down here yesterday, or wasn't yesterday, the day before yesterday, I guess. In the afternoon, and I caught a couple, but I didn't realize all these fish were in this hole until later in the afternoon. That they would eat wormies. They were wanting some wormies. Today I'm getting them on a crankbait too. There's a spot downstream I might go try too here in a few. Another hole like this, but it's leading into some swifter water. We'll see. We shall see, guys. We shall see. Let me throw this back out there. Yeah, not a bad little spot to fish. It's quiet, nobody bothers you down here. Check his horn. Oh, he didn't hit it. Damn it. Yeah, still got all my corners. Still got all my corners. I'm gonna put one more piece on there real quick. Actually, I'll put a couple more pieces on there. I'm setting this one up wormy already. Should've got more worms. Shoulda, but I didn't. Story of my life, guys. Always what I should have done, but I didn't. Yeah, I'll get used to it. One of these days I'll learn. Maybe. Or maybe not. You just never know. Never know with me, that's for sure. I may never learn. I'm stubborn like that sometimes. This fish gonna bite or what? What's he doing here? Is that corn acting all weirded? Yeah, it's corn. Alright. Back to casting. We're out of that crap. Slide down here a little closer to the bank. Yeah, I think she's all messed up. Okay, guys. I'll step over here real quick, make a couple casts. Casting right down here on this rocks. And I'm out here. Few casts. Little small jaws real quick. I can see catfish and everything down there, guys. Here's smallmouth, smallmouth. There's another one, guys. They're stacked back up down there again. Cool beans, cool beans. Little smallie. Little smallmouth. Oh, he came off. Little jerk. That was my one and done too. Now I gotta cast him in, guys. Imagine that. The irony of losing the last fish. The one you wanted to end the video on. Now you gotta keep fishing to get that same last one. God works in mysterious ways. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. He's like, that's not big enough one for you yet. You see? Or I need to trick one more. That's all I want. One more. Oh, there's a nice one down there. Maybe he'll come. Alright. Oh, damn. That's all I want. One more fishy. On to my reindeer games. They are. There's something, guys. There's something. I'm gonna snag one of these cartridges in the back. Yeah. Yeah, that's ought to be fun. Oh yeah. Snaggaged. Yeah, at least we got a fish stand on, huh? Inappropriate, but oh well. It's a snag. It's a snag carp. Oh, quillback. I don't know if you guys ever seen these or not, but these are pretty interesting. Carp species. Alright, buddy, chill out. Come here. I'll show you guys the camera here and we're out of here. Oh, I don't know, I might cast one more. I might cast one more, guys. I don't know. My pole will fall in the water. Alright, yep. Slimy dude. Yeah. Here's my rod and reel. That's quillback, guys. See the big old thing on his back? Sticks up. Awesome bait, too. But you're lucky, buddy. I got plenty of bait in the freezer right now. And he's out of here. Get my hands off, too. Alright. Yep. Oh, yeah. Alright, a couple more real quick casts and we're out of here, guys. Should snag me another one. Maybe something bigger. I should have brought down those snagging gear. Some snagging lure. About done with it, guys. I'm about done with it. Look, he's getting grass on him. He don't want to swim right. Damn thing. Alright, there we go. Yep, Barry called a day. Barry called a day. I wanted one more fish though. I always want that one last fish. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video. I will see you guys on the next one. If you guys like this content, please do me a favor, hit that like and hit that subscribe, guys. It don't cost you nothing. Hit the subscribe or the like button. Just hitting that subscribe lets you know when I upload a new video, and that's it. That's all it is, notification. So please guys, hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Hopefully it's a little better video at a new spot, and we get on some big dogs. So I'm gonna see what I can do this weekend. I promise you guys I'm working my butt off trying to get on the big ones, but it's hard going right now. Dog days of summer. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace out. Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Donnie Simpson. Just a little update on the ticket I got from the city. Yeah, I just got it beat. They didn't have shit on me, guys, just like I fucking thought. Idiots. He was trying to argue some shit he couldn't argue because he knew he was in the wrong. So, yeah, they dropped the trespass, guys, like I thought they would. So, the old city educator can kiss my ass once again. It's proof, guys, right here. I'm walking out the fucking thing right now. I got the fucking letter right here. Yeah, I just got done with these idiots and I put them in their fucking place. There's no way they can tell that I'm 300 feet away from that fucking dam. I even used my own YouTube video as evidence. I'm like, yeah, go ahead, stupid. That just proves my fucking point. So, yeah, I told them to hit the like and subscribe anyway. So, see you guys on the next one. Later.